Hello guys, welcome to Gerald's Space. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to fake video calls on Telegram. If you are new here, I make easy to follow tutorials, so I'll advise you to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the post notification. This is going to be a very short video compared to the ones I've been making in the past. This will also be very easy to follow and self-explanatory. Like I always say, this is for educational purposes only. Do not use this for any ill intent. Don't use it to hurt anyone, or use it with the intention to put anyone in way of harm. Without wasting much time, let's get down to business. Follow the steps, and don't skip any step, so you won't miss out on any of this. Here is the step-by-step guide.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and drop a comment if this was helpful.